In this video, we're going to talk about how to pause collection and protect your finances. Are you struggling with tax debt that feels impossible to pay? Let me ask you, what if you could press pause on the IRS collections and catch your breath? Sounds like a relief, right? The IRS offers something called Hardship Status, and today I'll explain how it works and how you might qualify. Let's talk about what Hardship Status means. Officially, it's called Currently Non-Collectible, or CNC status. It's basically a temporary break from IRS collection activities like wage garnishments or bank levies. If you qualify, it gives you the breathing room to focus on getting your finances back in order. So who qualifies? This is for taxpayers who can't pay the IRS tax debt without causing serious financial hardship. In other words, if your monthly expenses equal or exceed your income, you might be eligible. So here's the best part. Even while you're in the hardship status, the 10-year statute of limitation for the IRS to collect on your debt keeps running, so time is still definitely on your side. So now you're probably asking, well, how do I qualify? Here's the deal. You'll need to prove to the IRS that paying your tax debt would prevent you from covering basic living expenses. This means providing a full financial disclosure. So how do you do it? You'll fill out Form 433A or 433F, which includes details about your income, your expenses, your assets, and your liabilities. Think of it like putting your financial life on paper for the IRS to review. Now, keep in mind, the IRS uses national and local standards to determine what they consider reasonable expenses. If your expenses go way over their limit, they might not accept them. And if you have significant assets that could be sold to pay off your debt, you probably won't qualify either. If you think you might meet the criteria, here's what you'll need to do. First, get organized. Gather all your documentation like pay stubs, bills, and anything else that shows your financial situation. Then, contact the IRS. Call the number on your notices or their general helpline and submit the necessary forms and documentation. Once you're approved, remember, this is only a temporary relief. The IRS will review your case every couple of years to see if your situation has changed. They may also file a tax lien to secure their interest, and any future tax refunds will be applied to your debt. But here's the good news. This time is your opportunity to stabilize your finances, is to create a plan. Maybe explore other options like an offer and compromise to settle your debt for less, or set up a manageable payment plan. If this sounds overwhelming, don't worry, you don't have to navigate it alone. Getting professional help can make a big difference. Scan the QR code to book a free and confidential consultation, and we'll guide you through the process step by step.